I was starting out nice till you started yelling at me.
No, you yelled at me first. She yelled at me first. You want to get the truth about it. Gets my PTSD in. And then you want to stop me?
Come on out for what? What are you talking about?
We need to talk to you. Come on out.
While some officers betray their oath and abuse their power, today you'll witness instant karma delivering a powerful blow. Let's break down how a simple walk in a neighborhood led to an unnecessary escalation with police. On June 23, 2024, an elderly woman named Va Mez was strolling along a residential road in Springfield, Missouri. She spotted a vacant house and considered the possibility of renting it. As she walked into the front yard and headed towards the back to assess the size of the backyard, a neighbor asked her to leave. Subsequently, the neighbor contacted the police, prompting a response from officers of the Springfield Police Department.
I think the dude I called even knew what was going on. I just randomly asked him, "Okay, can we go in your house? And do you want to press charges?"
I guess.
Yes and yes.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Please Susan call.
Yeah, that'll be my mother. Okay, it's that house right there.
Yeah, so is she still here? Can I talk to
Yes,
her?
she is. She's in the bathroom right now.
Okay. Did you see the female back there too?
I saw her walking back there, and I yelled at my mom that somebody's going in the backyard, and I ran out and stopped her.
When was the last time you guys noticed?
That's actually the female right there.
Okay.
Then, the police officers approached Mez. One of them began asking her about the situation, trying to understand her motives. She explained that she just wanted to check the backyard because she thought it was rented out.
Hey, police, stop.
Me?
Yes, you.
Can I help you?
Yeah. Yeah. So, somebody seen you, into the backyard? Yeah.
Well, see, I seen the people move out, and they had a box of stuff. Wait, when they moved out, it was in the yard for, for free. So I seen they moved out, and I said, well, I'm going to check out the backyard, see how big it is, because it's empty.
That's you out?
Yeah. She says, you can't go back there. Don't you ever send anybody back there in that yard. I said, ma'am, I wasn't going in there. I was just trying to look at the backyard, see if it was
Where
big
do you
enough.
live?
I live at Battlefield Towers.
Live at Battlefield Towers?
Yeah.
You walk there after you get groceries?
Yes, she wouldn't let me go
Hey,
back
why are you
there.
yelling at me? Am
I'm sorry,
am I yelling at
because-
you? No. Okay,
I'm sorry.
let's chill out, okay?
Mez noted that she hadn't even approached the dog that barked at her and left the yard as soon as she was asked to. Nonetheless, the officer insisted on her identification, stating it was necessary to assess if there was reasonable suspicion of any criminal conduct.
With that,
Sorry I had to raise my voice. You were raising your voice, okay?
because of my anxiety, because it's stupid. All I wanted to do was look at the backyard because
So how far did you get into the yard?
I didn't even get to where her dog was because the dog started barking when I got back, so
I
I
don't know
came
where her
on.
dog-
I was walking toward the backyard. I didn't get to the back.
You didn't get to the backyard?
No.
Why were you looking in the backyard again? Just to see how big it was?
To see how big.
Were you looking at buying the house?
Well, I thought maybe he was going to rent it or something, and I was trying to
Okay.
see the yard. Well, thank you for doing that. But I didn't do anything wrong.
So you saw he was moving out, so you were going to check out the backyard, see how big it was, because you were
Right.
thinking about renting the house, if it was
Correct.
up for rent.
Exactly.
She came out and started yelling and
She
cursing
yelled
at
at me through the kitchen window. I was like, whoa, okay. I just turned around and left and went ahead and walked and got my groceries. I don't want to live there anyway because I can't live next to that because I'd be doing this all the time. Handle it when somebody yells at me. That is the worst thing that pops up.
Okay. What is your name?
Why?
Well, because I'm talking to you, and I'd like to know your name for, what's
I
going
don't
on
want her
here.
to know my damn name. I don't want her to know nothing about me.
I'm not giving her your name. This is for me.
And I don't understand why you always have to give your name. I just didn't do nothing. No, I did.
What's wrong with giving a name? You got something to hide, or?
Not hardly.
Well, then what is your name?
It's Vita Mines. Spell it yourself.
You just go grocery shopping, or?
Yes, I did. Worked all the way to food for less.
Well, I need to know your name, okay? You need
Vita Mines.
you
That's
need-
all I'm telling you. That's
No,
my name.
You need to spell it out for me.
No, I don't.
I
You
have
can
to
spell.
identify you.
You can spell.
Vita
Sure.
Mize?
Mainz.
Mites?
This is German. MEINTS, because I have
Well,
not
I
done
need to
nothing.
identify you because I have reasonable suspicion that you were trespassing on that property, okay?
I was not trespassing on that property.
Okay, as of this moment, you are detained, so you have to identify yourself.
VETA, stupid.
At any time, police may approach a person and ask questions. Police may suspect involvement in a crime, but may lack knowledge of any specific and articulable facts that would justify a detention or arrest, and hope to obtain these facts from the questioning. The person approached is not required to identify themselves or answer any other questions, and may leave at any time. Police are not required to tell a person that he or she is free to decline to answer questions and go about his or her business. However, a person can usually determine whether the interaction is consensual by asking, "Am I free to go?" The situation escalated when officers placed Mez in handcuffs, claiming she was freaking out. The officers required probable cause to suspect Mez of trespassing, yet based on her explanation and behavior, it appears doubtful that they had adequate justification for such an allegation.
I was starting out nice till you started yelling at me.
No, you yelled at me first. She yelled at me first. You want to get the truth about it. Gets my PTSD in. And then you want to stop me? I'm so glad you did. I'm glad you didn't have nothing else better to do with your time.
I don't want to put you in handcuffs, okay?
Well, whatever.
What's your date of birth?
I was born in October 27, 1959. I'm 5'2". I weigh 90 pounds. I have PTSD. I have anxiety disorder, depression disorder. I did not do anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back for me.
No.
Stop resisting.
I'm not doing anything.
I didn't want to have to do this.
Yes,
all right?
you did, or you
What do
wouldn't
you
have done
mean?
it.
You're the
love
one who
it.
was
You
freaking
guys
out.
That's all you guys do. You don't do nothing else.
I'm done being nice with you.
Yeah, why don't you just here check my purse?
What's your deal?
Take whatever you want.
What's your deal, ma'am?
I have PTSD, and she does set it off.
I have two witnesses saying you were on that property.
And how does she know I didn't have any contact with the
Who owns
landlord?
that house then?
I don't know. I was trying to find out. And I seen the people that moved out. Okay, I seen that it was still empty. I said, well, I'm just going to walk back and look at the backyard, see if it's big enough for my dog.
So you just admitted you trespassing on property.
Okay, what's your date of birth again?
October 27th, 1959.
1959?
Yes, sir.
Probable cause refers to a reasonable basis for believing that a crime may have been committed for an arrest, or that evidence of a crime is present in the place to be searched for a search. Probable cause is a Fourth Amendment requirement that usually must be met before the police make an arrest, conduct a search, or receive a warrant. The Fourth Amendment also requires that any arrest be based on probable cause, even when the arrest is made pursuant to an arrest warrant. The officers kept claiming that Mez was on the property without authorization, but she maintained that she had merely been observing and hadn't crossed any boundaries. Throughout this interaction, it's clear that the officers focused heavily on enforcing property rights, but the way they handled the situation raised concerns about their professionalism and respect for citizens' rights.
So where were you headed to with all your stuff? Because you obviously just got...
Sir, I walked from Battlefield Towers to Food for Less. I walked all the way down Woodland Street. I didn't make no stop.
Why are you trying to look in a backyard? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Because I have another dog. And I was trying to see how big the yard was because I knew the house was empty. And I didn't even get to where that big tree is right there by the house because her dog started barking. And after that, I backed off and started walking off. After she cussed me out. I didn't walk in her yard. I walked in his yard.
It's not your yard.
No, I said I didn't walk in her yard.
Yeah.
I walked in his yard, and he did not file a complaint against me. Could you please pick my stuff up and put it in my purse?
Yeah, I can actually.
No, I'll do it myself.
You gonna do it? Okay. You got any weapons on you?
Oh, no, sir.
No?
Don't believe in weapons. At all.
You don't believe in weapons?
Huh?
You said you don't believe in weapons?
Nope, sure don't. Well, I need to call my son. I really do.
Well, I think we're past that. I'm not gonna let you.
Why?
Because the way you're acting. I don't like the way you're acting. Well, how was I acting? I was being nice to you, and then you started yelling.
All right, Vita. So here's the thing. this house is still owned, okay? And there's people that are watching that house, okay? I've already contacted the owner, and he wants to pursue charges against anybody that's on his property.
Okay.
The officer then released Mez, and she was free to leave.
And if I catch you here, I'm going to take you to jail for trespassing.
Okay, well,
Do
you won't
understand
ever.
that?
Yes, sir, I do,
Okay.
and I won't
We're
ever
gonna
do
take-
that
We're going
again.
to take those off you,
I just.
and you can continue walking out to where you live, okay?
Thank you. Yeah, because there's no such thing as freedom.
Well,
Freedom.
okay, you got to stop twisting your wrist or I can't get this
I
off.
ain't twisting it. That's just normal for me, sir.
Well, I
Look
had it-
how little it is.
I get charged with enforcing the law. That's part of my job. Talking to people on the street who are, I've been told, are in conjunction with a crime I'm investigating. That's part of my job. You mentioned freedom. Part of people's freedom is property rights. So
Yeah.
I'm here to enforce people's property rights.
And it takes.
But I know that you don't agree with what we do.
No, I do.
But you're good
a
to move
point.
along.
Okay, thank you.
You guys good or you need
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, they're good. Oh, he's over there with you, Mud.
Following the incident, a GoFundMe campaign was set up to assist Mez with her living expenses and potential legal fees, as she considers holding the officers accountable for their actions. On October 27, 2024, the police officer arrived and asked the homeowner to come to the door. The man responded that they could talk from inside, but the officer insisted on having a face-to-face conversation outside.
Come to the door, okay?
Hello, what's going on?
Come to the door real quick.
What's up?
Come to the door, I need to talk to you.
Okay, you can talk to me right here, man. What's up, man?
I need you to come outside and talk to me real quick.
Okay, why? I'm in bed, man. You're scaring my dogs.
Come on out.
You have questions to ask, man. Just ask them, dude. I'm in bed.
I'm asking, I need to ask you in person. Come on out.
What's going on?
Come on out.
According to the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. As the conversation continues, the officer becomes increasingly insistent, repeating that he needs to ask the questions face-to-face rather than through the camera. The man, growing more frustrated, questions why the officer needs him outside if he can simply ask his questions remotely.
Coming out for what? What are you talking about?
I need to talk to you. Come on out.
You talk to me?
Face-to-face.
What's going on?
No, I need you to come out face to face.
All right, man. Well, I'm going back to bed.
Come on out.
No, unless you tell me what's going on, I'm going back to bed.
I'm investigating something right now. I need you to come out so I can talk to you. Come on out here and I'll talk to you.
Okay, well, I'm not going to, so I'm in bed.
I need you to come out here. I need to ask you some questions about what's going on.
Ask away.
And I need to do it in person.
The officer's persistence is met with continuous resistance. Each time he asks the man to come out, the man remains firm in his refusal, expressing concern about disturbing his dogs and insisting he prefers to stay inside.
You can tell me that you're getting up, putting on your shoes, and coming outside to talk to me.
Well, I'm not going to do that.
What's that?
I'm going back to bed.
No, come on out here, please. I just need to talk to you for a couple seconds.
Well, just talk to me right now. Why? Why do you need me to come out?
I just explained it to you. I'm not going to sit here and repeat myself. I need you to come out so I can talk to you.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm in bed, so I'm going back to sleep.
I just explained it to you. I need to ask you some questions.
Okay, ask away. You don't need me to come out there to ask the damn
Yes,
question.
I do.
Go back to bed. Okay, well, ask away, man.
No, I need you to come out here and talk to me.
After several minutes of repeated requests and refusals, the conversation reached a deadlock. The man made it clear that he needed to return to bed, and the officers then left as well.
Come on out. No, he's talking through the room. All right.
What's going on?
Step back.
His hand is broken.
Back up! I'm telling you, yes, back up! You gonna tase me? Yeah.
While some cops abuse their power and betray their oath, today you'll see how instant karma delivers a stunning blow. Let's dive into this intense confrontation where Andre challenges law enforcement, invoking his constitutional rights as the situation spirals out of control. On July 6th, a tense encounter unfolded between law enforcement officers and an individual named Andre, rapidly escalating from a routine discussion into a serious confrontation.
Hey, Andrew.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Sorry.
you step outside for me?
No.
I'm going to talk to you for a second.
The incident began when officers approached Andre to discuss a prior event. Despite his claim that he had secured his firearm, the officers instructed him not to reach for it.
Let me put my weapon up.
Hey. Okay, I understand. I just need to see. No, don't.
Hands up.
Do not reach for it, okay?
It's up. I had to put it away. You guys were creeping the fuck out of me. No.
You remember Officer Bugman, Weekly Police? I spoke to you the other night about the...
Yeah, you guys are creeping the fuck out of me. What do you want?
Ready to come inside?
Yeah, come on in.
Okay. Just don't reach for your gun, okay?
I ain't gonna reach for shit.
This situation relates to the Fourth Amendment rights under the U.S. Constitution. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. The argument escalated when Andre refused to surrender his firearm.
Do you mind if I just pull that off you for our safety?
No, I do not. I do not agree for that.
Well, we're not going to sit here with you all with a gun on you.
Well, then you can leave. You can either leave or...
Can
we are not doing
take
this.
that firearm? And
we are not doing this. You can either leave or we're not doing this. What do you want to do?
Well, we're going to stay safe. And
we are safe. No, this is my right. Second Amendment.
Okay.
I'm in my home. You cannot do anything about this. I will not consent. I do not consent to any search or seizures. Second or Fourth Amendment.
He invoked his Second Amendment rights, stating that a well-regulated militia, being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. He accused the officers of unlawful detainment and illegal search. The officers insisted on disarming Andre for safety reasons, leading to a physical altercation.
Nope.
We're just detaining him. We're just
momentarily.
No, we're trying to talk to him and he doesn't want to.
What's going on?
Step back.
His hand is broken.
And he has a gun on him, and he's not being cooperative. Hey, I tried to be.
I don't know. We're not going to be able to crank that.
You guys are fucking doing something illegal. I invited you into my home, and I shouldn't have done that. That was illegal. No, you are not doing this. Illegally detained! Illegally detained!
Did you see where the firearm is located?
It's in his front waistband.
Front waistband?
No, I am not moving! I am not moving! I am not moving! You are fucking illegally detaining me!
I'm trying to explain.
This is illegally detaining me! I
I don't
You're
give
going
a
to jail
fuck.
now.
This is
You're
legal.
going to jail now.
This is illegal detainment.
During the struggle, Andre resisted arrest and threatened to sue the officers, accusing them of violating his constitutional rights. These actions raise questions about the reasonableness of the use of force.
Illegal detainment. Illegal detainment. Get me out of cuffs. This is illegal detainment. We have nothing to discuss.
All right, let's at least sit you up.
That is illegal. Fourth Amendment violations.
So now you're threatening to end my life.
I got
Andrew, calm down.
I will fucking end you.
Andrew? Let go of my leg!
No! I will end your career.
We couldn't get to it
I will
because he was not
end your
letting us.
career, sir.
Shouldn't that be
Do you understand me?
I have no problem letting you sit up, but we're not going to continue to kick and fight.
This is a litigation against you. This is such a litigation against you.
Okay.
You have absolutely you have no qualified immunity. I will take your qualified immunity.
Yes.
Do you know what that means?
Yeah, that means that you're not going to keep flailing around. You can sit still till we get more units here. Bonnell.
Bonnell,
It's a
your
beat.
career is over, brother.
That's fine.
Your career is over.
That's fine.
Your career is over.
I don't want to hit you with this. I'm going to just get that a little bit farther out of his reach.
No, your career is over.
That's fine, bud. If you can sit
I
up
am
without
sitting
fighting.
up now.
Hey, quit.
I am sitting up now. Let me go. You.
I have no problem
Let
helping
me
you
go.
up. I will help you up.
I don't need help.
Police use physical force to the extent necessary to secure observance of the law or to restore order only when the exercise of persuasion, advice, and warning is found to be insufficient. Further complicating matters, the officers questioned Andre about his previous threats. Andre claimed that these threats were legal and continued to challenge the officers' authority.
So remember how we talked the other night on the phone? You remember that?
You better fucking make some sense of this. It's now the federal case now.
Okay.
So you better make some sense of why you're here.
Let me explain it to you, and I'll explain the reason why we're here. Okay.
Good, Mirandize him.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law or other proceedings.
That gun off, I'll kill you.
Answer.
Do you understand the constitutional rights I've advised you of?
I know my rights.
Okay. Do you remember when you called the sheriff's office?
And I told you exactly what happened, and
Okay.
you all did shit all. Why are you here now?
We received a call about.
Give me my glasses.
Okay, so we received a call
About some dumbass
about
threatening me again.
We had a
You will
reason to
get
be
this
here,
out of
okay?
my cuffs because you have absolutely no authority, and you can't arrest me for shit because you came in here without authority.
Macon County has already been alerted, and we have discussed threats with Macon County.
Yes, but that's completely so. That's
No,
different.
that's the same.
So
He's trying to lead up to why we're here.
yeah, we wanted to see what your side of the story was, okay? And that's what we wanted to do when we came in the door.
I will end your career.
Sir, I never had
So
you
at any-
out to
so-
I don't give a shit.
trying to talk with you.
All you care about is your badge and your gun. I'm glad you have that camera on because it's going to see that I did not do anything towards you. I'm in handcuffs. I can't do anything. I will talk to him, but not you.
Well, I'm not leaving him here alone with multiple people, so, you
So
can talk to him.
at any point in time, do you remember making any threats down there to that pastor?
Oh, I said I will burn that whole city down legally. Legally, I will burn the whole city down.
So what we wanted to come here for is to see what you meant behind that. So that's what we wanted to come here and find out.
No. I was nice to you. I thought you would be a fucking good dude, but you brought this. What gives you the right to take the gun off me in my own
the
home?
thing, right?
You need to.
Fourth Amendment, Second Amendment violation. I will sue you.
Understood that, but then whenever I saw it in your hand, and then you told us,
And I told you I was putting it
I
away.
know that. Okay.
Just gonna get him out of here and we'll handle it.
No, we were told by the state police.
That I could come to the door with a gun in my hand. State police told me that.
Okay, there's
So go ahead.
Authorized. We called the state police.
So that's fine. You can think that all you want.
No, I know that.
Everything's gonna be go through court. Everything's on camera.
Oh, it's gonna be
We
on
can have
camera
his
and then through
statements.
court.
We have our statements. We have body cam. This will all play out.
The First Amendment shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. In the aftermath, Andre complained about the tightness of his handcuffs and continued to threaten legal action.
This up or I'm gonna lose fingers.
Not. I'm not
Loosen it up, or I'm going to lose fingers. I'm a paramedic. I will tell you the truth.
I cannot do anything.
I can't feel fingers.
Hey, look at me, okay?
You are either going to lose fingers or I'm losing fingers.
Okay, I understand.
So do it now, or I'm losing fingers.
Can we? What?
They're illegal. Illegal search and seizure. Illegal entry.
Well,
I can't feel my fingers.
Well, he's already threatened that he's going to kill him.
No.
So.
Oh no! I said I'm taking this other officer's qualified immunity.
He's under arrest.
He kicked the other officer, so
he's under arrest.
Yeah.
The other officer is the problem.
You haven't charged him.
Arrest. Let go.
With what are you charging him?
we're bringing the car too. So.
Okay, he's just gonna be dead.
What are you charging
All right,
him
he can
with?
get dragged like a kid.
What are you charging him with?
What are my charges?
What are you charging
What are
him
my
with?
charges?
Stay back.
No, what are my charges? What are my charges?
Charging him with?
You guys gonna?
What are you charging me with?
You'll be told once we get down to the jail.
Hey, I'm
No.
gonna.
Where's Brad? Where's Brad? Where's Brad? Sergeant. You all got
Lock it.
no.
I'm trying to lock it so it doesn't get tightened on you.
We spoke
Okay.
to you about this last until they came in
I can't.
by force and caused the problem.
You still can't fight police.
Yeah, I can.
Here,
Illegal
we'll see what
arrest
happens.
is if this. I can fight anybody if it's illegal arrest.
I'm gonna get this belt. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
All right,
One or two shoulders, and then we're going to have to get the leg.
Illegal arrest! Illegal arrest! Illegal arrest! Illegal arrest. This is illegal arrest, and this is perfectly
Guys, you got to step back. We have firearms on us. We're turning our backs to you. I'm not going to have that, okay? But just scoot back.
This is an illegal arrest.
Why don't you just step up and you're gonna go? So.
This is an illegal. This is an illegal arrest.
Well, you're gonna go no matter what.
Okay. Well, all right. I will go with you. Get off me.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Don't.
Come on, sit. Come on.
You came with another one. Go ahead.
It's an illegal arrest. That's fine. You are.
We need to check with Macon County, see if they're fine with us taking him to that jail.
He has since launched a GoFundMe campaign seeking public support. On May 5th, 2021, in Harford, Maryland, Deputy Jackson of Harford County observed a vehicle speeding excessively on the highway. After a brief pursuit, he managed to pull the driver over safely. Given that he was driving directly beside the suspect in his squad car immediately before the motorist began speeding, the officer had reason to believe the man was traveling at 70 miles per hour on a 55 miles per hour route.
How you doing? Thank you. Deputy Jackson with the Sheriff's Office stops being video and audio recorded. Thank you. No problem. Still live in Baltimore? Yes, sir. Okay. Can you turn the car off? Can I see the key? Real quick, the reason I stopped you, you rode next to me for a while there. Yeah, since the McDonald's. And then you were following the speed limit, that was fine, but once you got to here, man, you were doing 70 and a 55.
When the driver claimed that his speeding was due to a faulty suspension, he was highlighting a serious safety issue.
I felt the issue. I wasn't trying, I kept using off the gas pedal.
Okay.
I think it's one of my suspensions because it bounced and then I started picking up speed.
Okay. You're probably better off slowing down than speeding up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like if you start to feel, especially if it's a suspension, you don't want to go faster. How old are you?
21.
You're 21?
22 in September.
What's that? You're going to?
Yes.
You're going to turn 21?
Oh, I'm turning 22 in September.
Under Maryland Statute Section 21-901.1, reckless driving is defined as the crime of driving in a manner that indicates a wanton or willful disregard for the safety and property of others. In other words, you could be charged with reckless driving if the police believe that you understood the risks associated with the way you were driving and simply didn't care. It's important to understand the nuances of cannabis laws in Maryland. Cannabis in Maryland is legal for medical use and recreational use. Possession of up to 1.5 ounces and cultivation of up to 2 plants is legal for adults 21 years of age and older. In 2013, A state law was enacted to establish a state-regulated medical cannabis program. The program, known as the Natalie M. LaPrade Maryland Medical Cannabis Commission, MMCC, became operational on December 1, 2017. Adults who possess between 1.5 ounces and 2.5 ounces of flower, or who possess up to 20 grams of cannabis concentrates and/or products containing up to 1,250 milligrams of THC, face fines of up to $250. At the time of the incident, the driver exceeded these limits and was only permitted to possess cannabis for medicinal purposes. However, the officer demonstrated leniency and did not press charges.
All right, man. Well, I'll look at your record. You got any points on your license right now?
I'm not sure.
Okay, well, I can look it up. But I also smell the weed.
Yeah, I definitely...
Okay, you can just leave it there, man. Okay. Well, I mean, it was pretty strong when I was pulling you over, so maybe he's out now, but it wasn't a second ago. The way marijuana laws are going and everything like that, it's been decriminalized, anything under 10 grams. What's that?
I'm saying that being under 10 grams, meaning I'm getting this.
Oh, yeah, well, then, again, I'm not going to be petty about nothing. You're being decent.
Following a jovial exchange of words, the officer motioned for him to exit the vehicle. During the traffic stop, a First Amendment auditor was walking on the sidewalk, phone in hand, recording the incident. Upon noticing the auditor, the officer aggressively confronted him after informing dispatch of the approaching civilian.
All right, you mind stepping out, though?
No, no problem.
Okay, just don't reach in your pockets or anything.
Yes, sir.
Can we leave that in the car for a minute?
Yes, sir.
I just don't smoke, so I don't just want to dump it.
I understand it.
Yeah, we'll go back over here. You don't have any weapons on you at all, do you? No knives, needles, nothing like that?
There's 2 knives on my door.
Nice.
Just literally for me fixing my car.
Okay. Not even worried about it. Okay, I mean, if you don't mind, just real quick, man. You didn't shove nothing down in your pants, did you?
No.
All right. Can you turn around real quick? I'm not going to mess with your shoes. They're nice and clean.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Like I said, it's nothing real big. I'm going to wait for this other officer to get here, and then we'll finish everything else out, okay? I'll still work in your favor just because you're being decent. I try not to push it too much unless somebody's giving me a hard time.
I'm actually looking for a job.
Okay.
Do you know any jobs out there hiring so that way I wouldn't have to be coming from the city to the county back and forth every day?
You're trying to find a way to stay out here?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I know a lot of people get, I don't know what your qualifications are. I just know a lot of people get jobs there. They're always looking for people.
So that's kind of like the best favor for like doing something quick just to get up.
Yeah, maybe just to get in and get a foothold. That way you're getting some money coming in, and then if you get familiar with the area, you can start looking at other places. Where are you looking to move?
I'm actually trying to move in with my baby mother.
Okay.
But I don't want to move on it, and I'm not paying her or helping out with no bills or anything. It's going to be too much on her.
Yeah, and that would be right down the road from the Coles.
Yeah, so that's kind of like, that's something where I'm looking at that way wouldn't be too far.
Yeah. Last thing you want to do is, when you're trying to save money, the last thing you want to do is start spending it all on gas.
Yeah.
So, all right, just hang with him for a second. I'm just going to check the car real quick. Like I said, I'm going to check it anyway, and then we'll just get everything out in front of us, and I'll try to work it out for you, okay? Yep. I don't know what this guy's doing. Another person's walking up on us now. Can I help you? Can I help you?
What's your name?
You can back up, please.
This is a public sidewalk.
This is a traffic stop. You need to back up. Back up.
Listen, you don't know me. I don't
back
know you.
up.
According to the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which guarantees that Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. In practice, this means the man had every right to walk over and watch the traffic stop unfold. The police officer threatened the auditor with his taser. The officer was unaware that this situation did not justify an arrest, especially not for obstructing an officer.
I'm telling you to back up. I'm telling you to back up.
I don't care. Who do you think?
Back up. Back up. I'm telling you, yes, back up.
You're gonna tase me?
Yes, back up.
I'm on a public sidewalk.
This is a traffic stop. You do not belong here.
I am far away.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
For what? I'm on a
You're under
sidewalk,
arrest.
sir.
You're under arrest for hindering. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Don't reach in your pockets. Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, I'm not interfering with anything, sir.
You're under arrest, I told you.
For what?
Hindering.
I was on the sidewalk.
You can let go of this. Everything's being audio-visually recorded, okay?
Sir, mistake. You guys are making a big... I'm on a sidewalk. This is a public sidewalk, sir. I'm allowed to walk on the sidewalk. I'm walking on the public sidewalk. Can I speak to a sergeant?
Yeah, they're coming. You're gonna have a seat right here on the curb. Yeah, can you hang with him? Let me finish this up here. What's that? Okay, well, I don't know up here with this guy.
Can I let you know something?
Go ahead.
I just want to let you know that what I do for a living, I'm a constitutional activist.
Okay. You can stand over there and film us from the front. You cannot walk up. Listen to me. Listen to me. When the police are conducting an investigation. No, you don't understand.
I do this for a living, sir. I really listen.
Okay, but I'm explaining it to you. Maryland and the Harford County Sheriff's Office, which I am, a Harford County Sheriff's Office deputy, okay? We will allow you to video. I don't care if you're standing over in the parking lot where I can see you, away from the traffic stop. You walked from over there to right here. You're not walking up. Listen to me.
Okay, I'm listening.
You're not going to get the full answer unless you just stop. So we'll go ahead and charge, okay? And then you can.
Listen,
no, it's not. Come on, you're under arrest.
Sir, that's what you want to do, sir. I mean,
that's not what I want to do. But you didn't want to listen to me. You wanted to argue with me to the point where I had to take my taser out. You're going to jail. That's it. I'm not messing around with it, man, because I believe in your rights. Listen to me. I believe in your...
I stand up for the Constitution. Sir, I got sergeants, lieutenants who have my back. I got county officials in my...
I don't care. You took my whole attention away from this stop over here.
I'm sorry for...
I don't care about your apology. You are under arrest. I pulled my taser because you kept stepping at me, bud.
Okay.
And my attention's over here.
Okay.
All right. I apologize, man.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. I'll get you on your...
In Maryland, it is a crime to obstruct or hinder a police officer from conducting an investigation. Obstructing and hindering is a common law crime and a misdemeanor in Maryland. It carries a maximum of 3 years incarceration and a $3,000 fine. After the incident, the victim initially filed a formal complaint with the department detailing the events. However, a few days later, Harford County State's Attorney Albert J. Piesinger, Jr. said in a news release today that the case of State versus Reyes has been resolved after Mr. Reyes accepted responsibility for hindering and obstructing Deputy Keith Jackson during a traffic stop on May 5th and agreed to write a letter of apology and complete a period of community service. Hopefully, this video has given you a clearer understanding of the dangers of corruption within the police force. If you found this information useful, please leave your comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.